So what happens when you're in a relationship that isn't polarized? For example, if you're the woman and you're in your masculine energy and you meet your partner who is a masculine male, then it's kind of like two rams butting heads. You're in your masculine energy, he's in his masculine energy, and what's going to happen is going to be almost like a competitive undertone to your relationship. You're going to be competing with each other. Your tone of voice is actually going to be more authoritative, and it's going to trigger the masculine in him, because he doesn't want to be emasculated as a man. He wants to feel strong. He wants to feel like he's a leader. He wants to feel like a man. So if you're in a depolarized relationship, you're most likely going to be in the masculine as well as a woman, and it's going to create tension, conflict. It's going to affect the level of intimacy you two have.